Hi, welcome to Mati's Cookbook. Today's recipe in Mati's Cookbook is garlic pickle. These are the ingredients we need to make this garlic pickle. First, heat a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil to it. Make sure to use only gingerly oil for this recipe to get good flavors. Once the oil is hot, add about quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds to it. Wait for the mustard seeds to splutter. Add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds to this and roast. Now add 1 cup of cleaned and peeled garlic cloves and reserve about 10 to 12 of them separately. Start sauteing the garlic in gingerly oil for about 2 to 3 minutes until we see some golden spots on the garlic cloves. Make sure to saute them in medium flame. Once they are sauteed completely and when you begin to see golden spots here and there on the garlic, add half a cup of tamarind juice to it. Make sure that the consistency of the tamarind juice is thick. Give them a good mix. And add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to the garlic cloves. Give them a good mix and allow them to boil. Meanwhile, add the 10 to 12 garlic cloves that we have reserved to a mixer jar and grind them coarsely without adding any water to it. Once the garlic is half cooked, you can add the coarsely grounded garlic to it. Give them a good mix so that they can combine together. At first, there will be a pungent smell from the garlic. As we cook them thoroughly, the pungent flavor will go off. Add required amount of salt for this pickle and give them a good mix. I have used garlic fully. If you'd like, you can also chop them lengthwise and make this pickle. Cook this pickle for about 7 to 8 minutes until all the raw smell and the pungent flavor from the garlic goes off. Now add about half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder and mix them thoroughly. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the flavor gets infused. In this stage, we can see the garlic is completely cooked and the pungent smell is gone. Add about half an inch or quarter inch of jaggery as per your taste. If you are not adding methi seeds, while we are tempering at the first, we can also add quarter teaspoon of methi powder at this stage. Now we can see the garlic pickle had completely thickened and it is ready. Cool this completely and store it in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Follow Mati's cookbook and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.